Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Omikason speaking. In this video I'm going to show you how to check 2023 Jamb results. As you all know, Jamb result is officially out, but some candidates are unable to check it, and here is a step-by-step process to check your Jamb results using your smartphone. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. The first thing to do, there are two different ways of checking Jamb results, and the first one, which is the simplest one, is the one I'm going to show you now. First of all, you have to go to your message, then you have to send message to 55019. That is, you send message to 55019. So what the message you are going to send is capital letter UTME result. That is UTME result. Then you send it. After that, 50 naira will be deducted from your account, and the following process is your result will be released. You will see your result. And if this process didn't work out for you, the second process is to go to your smart browser. Let me use Chrome. Then you search for, in capital letter, Jamb result. So they'll take you to this place. The one you are going to click on is the first one, which is this one. This one, click on it, then it will take you to this place. Immediately this portal is open, they'll provide you a space where you can enter your range number, your email address, or your phone number, and immediately you enter, there is a button at the back there, at the bottom of the screen, which indicates check, and when you click on it, your result will be displayed to you. So that is how simple it is to check your Jamb result using your mobile phone. But the first process mostly works for people, but in a situation whereby you lost your SIM card and you can't access it back, then you have to wait until this portal is open before you're able to check your result. So if this video is useful to you, consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.